Dan here. Today I'm making protein fluff. Okay, these are the ingredients we're going to be using. It's 1 scoop of whey protein. This one is chocolate peanut butter flavour. We're going to be using 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, which is a thickening agent. It provides volume and texture. Cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of that. That also provides volume. We're going to be adding cream soda. This one's sugar-free, calorie-free. And then these are the options that you could add as well if you wanted to for extra flavour. Just different extracts and cinnamon. You could also add stevia too if you wanted to. So that's 1 scoop of protein into the bowl. There's the xanthan gum. I'm not putting all of it in, just some of it. And now we're going to use our electric whisk. So I've just kept on using the electric whisk, and that's all nice and thick, kind of like protein angel delight. Just spoon that into a bowl there. That's more than enough for 1 person. I've got enough for someone else, or enough for me to have later perhaps. And there, and it's a finishing touch. Strawberry in the middle. Oh, it's sinking in. Quick, get a shot before it sinks.
Oh.
Good. For more cool recipe ideas, check out my blog at howistayfit.com.